Meaning of glockenspiel.
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 Glockenspiel. A glockenspiel is a percussion instrument that consists of a set of tuned metal bars arranged in a keyboard-like layout. When struck with a mallet, the bars produce a bright, metallic sound that is similar to that of a xylophone or a marimba. The instrument is commonly used in orchestral and marching band music, as well as in popular music genres such as rock and pop. It is often played by percussionists and can be found in various sizes and configurations, from handheld versions to large-scale concert instruments.